Man, welcome back to another series of files. If you're not familiar, I started this series where I could show raw behind the scenes and provide value with any type of project that I'm working on. And today I'm working on a sponsored reel for the brand Amaran with some of their new lights. And I'm gonna just take you along the journey, take you along the process of how I'm doing that. But first I'm gonna have my breakfast burrito and I'm gonna send you up to the office and let the other Ryan unbox these lights real quick, and then we'll tap back in and get started. By the way, this video is sponsored by Amaran. It's a great company with great people and they have great products. I've been using them forever. Not just because they pay me, because they're good. All right, this new light just came in. A panel circular, very thin light. It has the frosted cover, so it gives you a nice soft light. It has controls, CCT value. I'm gonna go with 5600. And then this was only on like 20. This can go super bright. It comes with this mounting pole right here, and you mount it right there, and then it's got this arm, goes side to side. You can tilt up and down, which actually is pretty cool. You can go all the way top down if I wanted to do like some product shots. This thing is crazy right now. 26%. It's pretty bright. I also got the Pano 120C. All right, you do the honors. Yeah! Thank you! Very nice case. Blue, Amaran blue. This is beautiful. Everything is just working out perfect timing today. These, well, Amazon just came through and brought me these. I just ordered these little shades off Amazon. So I hope these are nice. These look crazy. These are fire. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Also, I'm shooting on the R8 today. This is my only camera right now. I have to order another camera because I sold my other one and it's hot, which I'm about to run to Home Depot real quick as well because I'm about to like buy a big fan for in here. But I also got this little mini fan from Ulanzi for the back of my R8. This might be a play. I think it is. I used it with my boy Ben Johnson. So we're gonna put this on here because the timer for the overheating just cut on. Oh my gosh, the heat is rising. All right, man, we did it. I finally went and got me a little heavy duty industrial fan for my garage space. Every time the summer comes, it gets extremely hot in there and I wanna make things when I wanna make them. And if it's hot outside, it makes me not wanna make it. So hopefully this helps. Yes, sir. That feels good. All right, we can get started. A port for power, new latch for the portable battery connector. Here we go, here's the latch. We can connect it to a light stand now. This thing looks so nice. I love the blue touches and the design on it. These lights are just beautiful. That red is slapping on that panel. The white on this Verge Max is slapping. As you can see, lights just make your image way better. This looks so good. One, I did not realize that these glasses were like black. I thought they were gonna be like mirror silver, so I don't really get the look that I wanted, so my mistake. Two, I gotta cut the fan off whenever I need to talk, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna like do the setups, show them, and then talk about them. And then three, I just wanna let you know, I have gone ahead and wrote out what I wanna say in my reel. I do all different types of reels, but I've gone ahead and wrote out what I want to say. And I've also highlighted specifically in different colors what's gonna be shot in here stylistically and what's gonna be talking on camera to face or showing other B-roll. Alright, for real, I'm in here trying to improvise and problem solve right now. I'm trying to make scenes that look really cool for music videos, and it's not working because I'm trying to go fast. I just need to relax and slow it down a little bit. I wish that my little fog machine was not dead. I have not charged it since I bought it. It's lasted a very long time, to be fair, but I wish it was not dead right now. Let me break this down real quick. I finally got it. This is, I know it's loud in here, but I gotta have it so you can see the effect, right? This right here is 24 millimeters. I put my camera on crop mode from a 16 millimeter, so it would technically look like this, but I like the 16 millimeter look too, but for that vertical shot, I wanted it to be 24 so you couldn't see all the extra stuff on the side. So this right here is the Amaran Ace 25C, the small little light. And I don't even got it but like on like 10% intensity. I got it on strobe, 180 on the hue, and I think I have the frequency at 3, so it's just flickering like crazy. It just looks really cool. I just cut the fan off because I know it's super loud. And basically what I did is I taped painter's plastic around the circular dome of the fan so that it would blow up and make this wave effect behind me. And then over here, I have the Pano 120C. I have it set to welding, and I think the frequency is like at 5 maybe. And I had it flashing this way to hit this painter plastic that was going in the air just to give it some crazy wild looking effect. I got the softbox on it, and I have the grid so that it would not light up all that stuff back there. You couldn't see all my junk and stuff. I wanted it to be more dark, moody room look, and you couldn't really tell where I was at. I had to have the grid so it wouldn't splash everywhere, and I also had the softbox. But yeah, now we have the shot for the reel where I talk about I would use the Pano C for music video lighting setups. All right, my camera body died, so I was just getting some shots with my iPhone on this light stand, because when you're in the groove and like you're making things happen, sometimes it's hard to get back in the groove, and you just got to make it happen. The iPhone is definitely good enough, especially for reels, actually for anything. The fan has come in clutch for shots. It's come in clutch for keeping it kind of breezy in here, even though it's still cooking, because it's probably like 80 or 90 outside. But I've pretty much got all my shots. I just need to do the voiceover or the talking to camera, and I might do that upstairs in my office. And then I'm also going to probably do like a closing shot in here. I'm gonna light it up and like say the last line to go back into the beginning of the reel in here. Setting up that music video light and setup was the best. I don't care what nobody says, hands down, music videos are always better, more fun, stylistic lighting, just on set, doing creative, cool stuff. Like just normal lighting is boring as hell. Like it's cool to do creative lighting setups. Like even right here, this looks tight. I got the Ace 25C back there. I'm being key lit with the softbox on the Pano 120C right now. And then I mounted the Verge Max, which is supposed to like technically go on your desk. I mounted it where the chain pulls the garage up or whatever. I mounted it on that bar up top. So you can pretty much get creative with this Creative Verge. You could get creative with the Verge Max. You might buy it to put it on your desk and use it as a content creator, but if you need to, you could take it and mount it somewhere for creative setups. I love how this Verge Max tilts, and you can go like flat. You could turn this flat, right? Mount it somewhere in an overhead space, and then back here, you raise it to wherever you want it to be at. Let me have this cord up top on it. Now, I just took your content creator desk light and turned it into a halo, something creative, an overhead lighting setup. Lift this up for like some back blue. Now you got like a music video setup with a desk content creator light. This looks like a freaking Nike commercial or something. Yeah, come on, man, get crafty. These lights are fire. I'm so curious how this fan is gonna ruin my audio. I hope that y'all aren't mad about that. It's hot. I went ahead and shot the intro to the reel right here. I just had this overhead and had these two lights, and I was like, here's 3 of the new lights from Amaran. I love that I have these lights, man. All right, let's get upstairs to the office. Of course, the fog machine is ready when I'm done filming everything with the lights down here. Turn down this intensity. I think I'm turning down the intensity. There we go. Let's see if my camera can keep focus on me. Sheesh. Voila. Up this intensity a little bit. This is cool. I like this light. That softbox was not that easy to get on, but it does help once you finally get it right. And you got the grid on there. Got it kicking in the back of my head right now. But these are all just some new lights, filmmaking lights, content lights that I got from Amaran. I love Amaran. I've been using them forever, so it just is what it is. Like, been working together. They have great products. This is my first time getting this and opening this as well. And I got some stickers. That's fire. Okay, here we go. This thing feels really nice. It's gripped out. It's got the nice grip on it. Fan on the back. Oh, it's got the mount right here. 1/4 thread right here. Let's do this together. Got English, then we can go use this thing right here or this scrolly wheel to go through and get to the right spot. Let's do HSI. Whoa, this thing feels like it's about to be powerful. This is 20%. Click into this, let's go to 100%. Oh yeah, this thing is powerful. You could do the same thing with this tiny light. This thing is blasting. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Got the softbox. Bring down the intensity a little bit. Let's not blast it. Let's go like 20. Yeah, that's nice. That looks nice. So we got right there. Lock that in right there. Okay, now I can put it on top of the camera. Push the blue button back here. releases it. All right, looks like the checklist is done. After about 5 or 6 hours of planning and shooting and coming up with creative ideas, we're done shooting everything. Now it's time to edit. And I still haven't even eaten any lunch. It's getting close to being dinner time now. I think it's like 4 o'clock. So worst part about today is I think that I broke my travel tripod. I have to order another one. I think this part right here is broke. It just won't stay still. So every time I lock it, that's annoying. Put this Verge Max back on my desk. All right, bring that down like that. Get it nice and tight. And boom, there we go. Nice, easy. Now I got this light that I can just move whichever way I want. I'll swing it around here and light myself up right here. Let's get some detail in that back shot back there. Raise the brightness over here. And then we got a nice evenly exposed shot. That's pretty dope, man. This thing's nice. All right, we're finally here. It's 8:30. I haven't had any food. I've been working on this all day long. I'm finally done. I'm gonna let you watch it and you let me know down below what you think about it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you Amaran for sponsoring Files, and yeah, hope we can do it again, and I hope that y'all enjoyed this. Let me know because I need to know. All right, enjoy. Here's 3 new lights from Amaran. The Verge Max. It's a large, frosted, thin, powerful light made for content creators. It's made to mount it on your desk to light up a content creator, but you can truthfully mount this thing anywhere to light faces or spaces. This is definitely the coolest new light that I've got my hands on. The Pano 120C. This is a lightweight, swaggy, versatile panel light made for content creators or pretty much any other video maker. You know I'm personally gonna light music videos with this bad boy. Lastly, the Ace 25C. This is a tiny, bright pocket rocket of a light made for content creators, but again, any video creator can use this to light a plethora of things. I used it as a key light in this shot right here, and the prices are also really good. So that's the final piece, and those are the new lights from Amaran that I'm enjoying right now. This is the Verge Max, the Ace 25C, great portable light, and also that Pano 120C, which is also a great portable, powerful light as well for anything. These 3 lights have impressed me. They're cool. If you have any other questions about this project or what I made or anything at all, drop them down below and I'll get back to you for sure and try to respond and let you know if I missed anything. I will definitely cover it in the comment section. Appreciate y'all. Thank you again, Amaran, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.